today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Facebook dating. But before anything else, make sure that you're 18 years old or older. And of course, you have a Facebook mobile app downloaded on your phone and that your account is in good standing. So start by opening up your Facebook app and consider logging into your account. Next, click on your profile icon, then scroll to dating. From here, click on Get Started. Just click on Next. Now, from here, start creating your dating profile by adding basic information such as your name, age, gender, hometown, and educational background. Then click on Next. Next is choose who you may want to date, if it's women, men, or everyone. And also choose who do you want to be friends with, but this is optional. Then click on Next. So here you might be prompted to agree to terms. Basically, just follow all the on-screen prompts in creating your profile. Also, you may be asked to turn on your location services to get best matches in your location. Next is upload your profile photo, then press next. Lastly, you will be asked to review the details and keep in mind that all the details you put here will be seen by all the other people you might be potentially matched with. Once again, click on Next. And now your dating profile is activated. From here, you are now ready to start matching. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!